I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally TV. OptionRally would like to wish you and your loved ones a wonderful holiday season. Let's take a look at today's market highlights for the week of December 16th and what to expect in the coming week. U.S. retail sales beat forecast, pushing the dollar. Federal Reserve meeting finally here. And Libya oil production back on track. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets. Wall Street ended lower for the week as investors remained sidelined ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting. The Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all fell about 1.5% this week, the biggest percentage decline for the Dow and S&P 500 since the final week of August. Equities around the globe have surged this year, with the S&P up about 25%. But the rally has faltered in December, which is historically a strong month for stocks. In a report out Friday, the European Banking Authority warned consumers that any investment in Bitcoin could become worthless, cautioning that digital currencies are completely unregulated, leaving people unprotected if they trade on platforms that crash or go out of business. Last week, China's central bank issued new rules prohibiting financial institutions from dealing in Bitcoins. In the foreign exchange market this week, the greenback was supported by expectations that the Fed may start scaling down its quantitative easing as early as next week, following Thursday's release of stronger than expected U.S. retail sales data for November. The retail sales in November rose 0.7% from the previous month, growing for the 8th straight month, according to the U.S. Department of Commerce. The dollar edged a little higher against the euro after a day trading in a narrow range. The euro closed at 1.3738. The dollar bought at 103.23 yen, while the euro was at 141.81 yen, down from 142.15. The British pound slipped to 1.6298 from 1.6350. Moving to commodities, gold settled higher as the week closed, tallying a 0.5% gain on the week. Gold futures climbed 0.8% to $1234.60 an ounce on the COMEX. The price of oil slid below $97 on Friday on the possibility of new supplies from Libya and expectations the Federal Reserve will cut its stimulus program. The Libyan militia that shut down most of the country's oil terminals for months has said the terminals will reopen December 15th. Libya has been losing millions of dollars every day after production dropped from 1.4 billion barrels a day to around 250,000 a day since the closure. I'm Amy Anderson. Follow me Monday through Friday right here on my channel at OptionRally.com and on my Facebook page. Have a great weekend and a wonderful holiday season.